Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Video Game Emoji, Personal Computer Emoji. Today we're reviewing an absolute powerhouse for gamers and creators alike, the ViprTech Overlord 2.0 liquid-cooled gaming PC. Right pointing finger emoji. Before we dive in, be sure to check the link in the description below to grab this PC at the best discounted price while it's still available. Let's jump into the full breakdown. Fire emoji, beast level performance. The Ryzen 7 5700X, with a turbo boost up to 4.6 GHz, delivers incredible multi-core performance. Whether you're gaming, streaming, rendering, or multitasking, this CPU is ready to handle it all. It's built on AMD's trusted Zen 3 architecture, optimized for power and efficiency. Pair that with 32GB of DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, and you're looking at zero bottlenecks, multitasking, content creation, and demanding games run silky smooth. Video game emoji, graphics, RTX 4070 Super 12GB. Let's talk about visuals. The RTX 4070 Super is a beast. This GPU is perfect for 1440p ultra settings and 4K gaming, with support for real-time ray tracing and DLSS 3.5 for AI-accelerated performance. Whether you're exploring open-world games like Starfield, or jumping into fast-paced FPS titles like Apex Legends, this card keeps frame rates high and visuals crisp. Snowflake emoji, liquid cooling and build quality. The liquid-cooled CPU keeps thermals under control, even during long gaming marathons or rendering sessions. You won't hear your fans screaming under load, just cool, quiet performance. The case features a sleek gamer aesthetic with RGB lighting and excellent airflow. Cable management is clean, and all components are professionally assembled, ready to go out of the box. High voltage sign emoji, storage and power. With a 2TB NVMe SSD, you get blazing fast boot times and plenty of space for games, media, and projects. Load times are nearly instant, and the OS feels snappy. An 800 watts 80+ gold PSU ensures clean, efficient power delivery, ideal for future upgrades and long-term stability. Meridian globe emoji, connectivity. Out of the box, it includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, multiple USB 3.0 and 2.0 ports, HDMI and DisplayPort support, VR-ready architecture, Windows 11 pre-installed. White check mark emoji, pros. Powerful Ryzen 7 5700X CPU with 8 cores, 16 threads. RTX 4070 Super 12GB for high-end gaming and creative workloads. 2TB NVMe SSD, fast and spacious. Liquid cooling keeps it quiet and cool. 800 watts gold PSU for reliability and future GPU upgrades. Gorgeous build with customizable RGB. Cross mark emoji, cons. DDR4, not DDR5, but still plenty fast for nearly all users. No secondary HDD included for mass storage. Bullseye emoji, final verdict. The ViprTech Overlord 2.0 is a killer combo of performance, aesthetics, and reliability. Whether you're gaming at ultra settings, editing 4K video, or running multiple monitors for productivity, this rig delivers. It's a plug-and-play powerhouse that punches well above its price point. Right pointing finger emoji, grab yours now through the link in the description. Limited time deals might not last. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth PC reviews and tech breakdowns. Fire emoji, desktop computer emoji, rocket emoji.